All right, I took the thumbnail. These are L wrenches. If you couldn't tell, I have almost no need for L wrenches. I did for like one piece of IKEA furniture, so I was shopping on Amazon for some L wrenches and I was like, damn, those look nice. I even 3D printed a little holder for them. There's my 3D printer, by the way. I also designed it myself. Could you tell? I mean, it looks pretty amazing to me. But yeah, it is actually a pretty genius design. So you can hold them like this, boom, and they go in, or you can also hold them vertically. I mean, that's just because of how L wrenches are. Why doesn't this one want to stay straight? I didn't put it in the wrong hole, I'm sure about that. Oh, well, close enough. The smaller the diameter, the more they can freely spin, because that's just a limitation of 3D printers. When it gets to literally 1 millimeter in diameter, I mean, even the L wrench itself kind of looks like a circle there. It's very hard to see well. And yeah, the bigger ones, you know, stay pretty much straight. They have a bit of, what am I doing? This is an L wrench review. You came to see how they work, right? Right, guys. I do need to tighten up one of the screws on my chair outside, so yeah, we'll probably grab like 5, 4, and 6. I forgot which size they are, so let's just grab them. There's the screw in question. Okay, that one's too small. I think we got it. The little ball head thing is pretty neat, so you can kind of just get it in from anywhere, and then boom, you can start twisting it. In this case though, I'm gonna use the normal one because it gives us, you know, bigger degree of twisting potentials. Nice and tight now. Got another one on the other side as well. May as well take care of that. And there we go, nice and tight. And yeah, we're back. And if you're too lazy to actually put them in the thing, you can just, there's a little tray here for them as well. Guess that'll pretty much do it for the Pride L wrenches. I really like the colors of the rainbow, especially when they're in the rainbow order, I guess we can say. But I mean, who doesn't, right? Like, come on, be honest with yourself. But all right,